In last lecture or in last video, we finished with the access and display functions or display operation on string. So first we will revise. What is string? String is an array of characters. Okay. So in C program, we write one header file, we include one header file, then we write one main function. Here the name of the function is main and the return type of that function is an integer. We declare one string whose name is a str1 and data type of that variable is what? Character. It is an array, so it is represented in a square bracket and this 20 indicates that maximum size of str1. So first we will access this string. So we give one message as what? Enter this string. Then how you will access this string? By using scanf. In that we are specifying the format. Format is a string, that's why here we write as a %s. And second parameter is the name of the variable. Then we print the enter string. So how you will print? Again by using %s as a format. And this %s is replaced with your str. Okay. Now today we will move further and we will discuss the next operation, which is the length. So how you will calculate the length of the string. So we already accessed one string, we display that string. Now we have to find out the length of this string. Okay. So here we are considering one example. In that, in str1, suppose if we will access a string as a simple. Okay. Every string is start with the 0 and every string is start from 0th location and every string is end with null character. Okay. So inside this string, how many characters are present? We cannot predict. Using this size, we can say that in string total maximum how many characters are present? 20 characters. Lower bound 0, upper bound 19. But during runtime, how many characters we have entered, that we cannot predict. There may be a case that we will accept 2 characters, 4 characters, 6 characters. So now we have to find out the actual length of this string. Length of this string is nothing but the number of characters. Number of characters. So for string we know only 2 things. First one is it's starting from 0th location and it ends on null character. So how you will calculate the length of this string? So we have to start from which location? I equal to 0. Now why we use I here? I is nothing but one index register which will give you the location of each and every character. Okay. Depending on the value of I, we can access the array element. So if I will say that I equal to 0, okay, then if we will say str1 of I, meaning right now value of I is what? 0. So str1 of I nothing but s. Okay, so right now on 0th position, which character is present? S. If we will consider str1 of 5, so how you will calculate? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on str1 of 5, it is present which element? Okay. In this way we can access the array. Okay. Now what is the syntax of for loop? For loop consists of 3 statements. First one is the initialization, second one is the condition, and third one is the increment and decrement, of any variable. So I is starting from 0 What will be the condition? We know that every string ends on null character. So how you will write? str1 of I not equal to what? Null character. So null is a character, so we have to return in a single quote. Okay? So initialization is over, termination condition is over, and continuously we have to increment the I. Okay? Then opening, closing bracket of for loop. Now what we have to do? We will count the number of characters. So right now, suppose if it is counted in one variable LE. See, LENG variable is used to count the number of characters present in a string. So it will be calculate a number of characters, and number of character is always a value. That's why we have to declare length variable as an integer and make sure that LENG variable should be initialized with the 0. Otherwise, it will be take some garbage value. Okay? Now, even without taking this variable, even we can count the number of characters that we will get in this variable, I variable. Okay? So how you will do that? Suppose printf will be what? Now, we receive one length variable, we receive the length of this string in length variable. So how you will print that? Printf /n, new line, the length of string. Okay, length of string. So what is the length of the string? %d, because it is an integer. So that %d we have to replace with the LENG. Okay. Again, save your program, click on execute, compile. Now, in main function, okay. See, after compilation, it is showing that in main function, I is undeclared. On which line? Line number 17. So how you will do that? You will declare I is what? I is again a integer variable. Save your program, click on execute, compile. Okay? So it will show you how much time is required. Now it is showing as what? 0.86 seconds is required. So again click on execute, compile and run. Now it is accepting it is wait for input from the user. So if I will give the input as sample, which input we have considered? Simple. Okay. Suppose simple. Enter. See, the string is a simple. Length of the string is what? 6. So how it is calculate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So length of the string is what? 6. Okay. Now, how you can find out without using any new variable? See, I is already scanning your whole string from 0 to null character and continuously I is increment. So no need to use one more variable. We can directly get the length of this string using I variable. So click on execute, compile. See. Now, how much time is required? 1.09 seconds. So, compile and run. Now, again, enter the string is simple. Now, length of the string is what? 6. Okay? Okay, thank you.